There was a game a few years back I really wanted to play. However, the requirements when it comes to keyboard dexterity were stupid and I couldn't enjoy it truly. So we're talking about Magicka 2, which I think is quite fun little indie game. So today I decided to take that dexterity element out of play a bit, and so I can just, enjoy the game. So I've used Python for this particular task, which will allow me to what should I call it? Combine spells for me with a little shortcut. So you already have seen the pyAutoGUI, which allows me to simulate key presses, and there is a keyboard library from pynput. I'm sure I butchered that name, which allows me to listen to what is being pressed. So by combining the two, I can create a shortcut to a set of keys. So basically how it works, every time I press Z, the keyboard spits out these 5 characters which correspond to a spell, and when I press X, the keyboard spits out this combination of characters. And let me just give you a little demonstration right here. So when I press X, you can tell it spits out what I want, and when I press Z, again, same deal. So that's working. Now let's do some and yes, before you let me know, yes, I'm still dying. It's not like it fixed all the problems I'm having. However, it's much more enjoyable now. So to give you an idea what the problem is, now if I want to heal, for instance, I need to press W 5 times, which is great, not a problem. However, you can get complex spells like 4 times water, 3 times ice, that's 9, and let's say an A lightning, and I have these like lightning rod thing spikes coming out. But imagine you're in the middle of your battle, like enemies, you have to move around, think what to do, and also at the same time press these in. So what I've done, I'm gonna press Z, populates it for me, I don't need to do anything. Press X, spike weight, boom. Don't need to think about it, just focus on the game, which is still not easy because there are lots of things happening, but you get the idea. Let me try and demonstrate this for you. You see, I need to press 5 times to get the water flow going. Let me see if I can get some enemies. Here we go. So press X, boom, smash. Oh, something got pressed here, doesn't matter. Press 3, X, aim. And actually I can enjoy now the game and focus on what's in front of me, rather than thinking, oh, have I pressed all the right buttons, and then look at the buttons and, yeah, okay, that wasn't good, and lose focus on what actually is happening on the screen. So hopefully that helps you visualize what this beautiful Python script is doing for me, so I can have some fun, and that's it. Have a good night.